Hi everyone, this is Bijee. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do something different, pushing myself out of my comfort zone. I usually don't like to get messy with my hands, and hence I had always stayed away from acrylic pour paintings. But now I'm going to try out for the first time. So come, I'll take you through my process. I ordered this kit from Camel. It's Fluid Acrylic Colors Aqua series. They have given pre-prep instructions at the back. They have also instructed one technique, the ripple effect. Let's open and see what's there inside. One apron, one canvas, and 4 colors. It's of 25 ml light blue color. Then there's Persian blue, turquoise blue, and white. Canvas is of 8 by 8. I'm using gloves to protect my hands from getting paint. I'm taking few paper cups. One I will use to keep the canvas a little elevated so that the paints pour down. Now I am taking 2 cups in which I will squeeze the paints. Keep the cup a little slanted and then squeeze the paint. This has to be done so that paint doesn't come out with heavy pressure and create air bubbles. I am taking light blue and turquoise blue in 1 cup, squeezing one after the other. You can use any color combination of your choice. This painting doesn't need a lot of thinking. Just have fun and enjoy the process. For the second cup, I'm taking Persian blue and white. So here I have 2 cups ready. Pinch one side of the cup to make the pouring easy. Bring them together and start pouring onto the canvas. It's creating a ripple effect and hence its name. Now let's tilt and spread it around. I feel the paint is too thick to have a free flow. It's looking beautiful. Yes, it's now slightly coming to the edge of the canvas. Don't use your fingers, knives or any other materials to spread it, or else it will create uneven surface. I made a mistake by not squeezing out all the paints. There are 2 corners left out without paint. So let's again take the paints and pour. When you try to do this, don't forget to take all the paints. This is the final painting. Again, I'm telling, don't use your fingers to spread the paints, else the colors will get mixed and the surface will be uneven. You will also not get the shine that you see here. To be very frank, I'm not liking this turquoise blue color, but overall it's beautiful. Look at my hands. See that you wear gloves when you are doing this. Keep paper on the table and use paper cups. It will take minimum 1 day to completely dry. Thanks to be with me till the end. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.